friend, today a question from pinacol rearrangement. We have taken this is the reagent H plus and NaBH4. So now let us start this problem. At first, question is this H plus will attack on the OH. Okay, which OH? This OH, yeah, this OH. To understand this, let us first arbitrarily attack this H plus with this OH minus. Let this OH attack this H plus. Okay, it will attack here and the formation line. After this will get removed and then this positive charge develops here. Now this plus will go for further ring expansion. And now here is a question, why this OH attack this H plus, why not this? For this, if we attack this OH, if this OH attack H plus, then the carbocation formed here, and after ring expansion this will 4-membered ring expanded to give 5-membered ring, which is more stable than the 4-membered ring. In case if we this OH attack this H plus, then what would be the product? Let us see here this OH, and if this OH attack H plus, then after that H2O plus here, and after that water removal, positive charge develop here, this positive charge develop here. And now further what happens, since there is a no possibility of hydride migration, no hydride is there, so one alternative, only one alternative, which is to break this ring. And when this bond breaks and this will form, this bond forms, then in this course no doubt that this 5-membered ring get stabilized to 6-membered ring, but this 4-membered ring, which is already in strain, does not relieve from its strain. That is why this OH will not attack this H plus. So this is not possible. Only this case is possible. Now this case is possible, and now this 4-membered ring get expanded to 5-membered ring. And what is the product? Let's have a look at it. This 5-membered ring gets expanded here, and here we have, this will expand here only, and the positive charge will develop here, and this will lead to this here. This ring get expanded, and the product is like this. Here we have the OH, and here is the positive charge. This then octet completion, this will octet complete here, and the this one, and since here H plus we have used, we have to, it is acting as a catalyst. H plus migration will get out from this, and we have this, we have like this will form a ketone, and second reagent is NaBH4. We know NaBH4 is a reducing agent, and it will reduce the ketone, and it will form the 2-degree alcohol. 2-degree alcohol. It will form 2-degree alcohol. And further, since H plus is remain in beaker, then again here is the possibility of what? Pinacolone rearrangement. Here H plus, this OH attack is here, and now the what happens is OH2 plus, and here what happen, H2O will remove from here, and the positive charge develops here, and here is the positive charge, and further there is a scope for ring expansion. Now the ring will expand here, and this 5-membered ring goes to 6-membered ring, ring expansion, since it is going to 5-membered going to 6-membered ring, so it will get more stabilized. Now 5-membered ring goes to 6-membered ring, and here it's your 5-member ring as it is this over here. Okay, right? Now here is the positive charge, here is one hydrogen. Since we have utilized one hydrogen and it is acting as a catalyst, so this H will here bond breaks, H plus removed H plus, and it will form like this here, double bond. This type of rearrangement is called as Wegener rearrangement. It takes place for the stability of carbocation stability. Hope you like this question, and further more important questions I will put here, which is previously asked in the examination or may be probable that it will be asked in the coming examination. Thank you.